Hello, my name is Raman Muthusamy, and I'm here to talk to you today about accreditation of units and preparing for surveys. Accreditation at its best can serve to be a transformative process for which within an organization becomes familiar with, adopts, and then documents compliance with nationally accepted guidelines and recommendations that are related to quality of care, patient safety, and infection control. There are several types of accreditation, and this include licensing from state bodies, which may be needed for patients who are on Medicaid, as well as certification from CMS, which is required for Medicare enrollees. In addition, several other accrediting bodies are present, including the Joint Commission and the AAAHC. The goals of accreditation are many. First, it is to provide a safe patient environment. It is also important to establish uniform and evidence-based standards for the unit, as well as review credentialing and other processes used by the unit. Also, it confirms establishment to adherence and policies and procedures and promotes continuous quality improvement. When choosing a guideline, several recommendations need to be followed. First, the guideline must be recommended to a governing body and a training plan developed. Subsequently, review and acceptance by the governing body must be documented in minutes, followed by documentation of initial training incorporating the guideline. Subsequently, documentation that the training has been added to initial orientation of staff, as well as annual competency testing must be documented, and identification and evaluation of changes to the guideline must be obtained by the publishing body. Several plans are necessary for each unit, including infection prevention and control, patient staff safety, emergency and disaster preparedness, and risk management. Several tips to prepare for surveys may come in handy. These include the use of a consultant, use of survey checklists, and reading and completely understanding current regulations and accreditation requirements. One should also anticipate the surveyor's needs and have all documents marked and ready. It may be beneficial to conduct a mock survey before the actual event. Typically, a surveyor will follow a patient through the pre-procedure holding area of the endoscopy suite, as well as often through the procedure and into the post-procedure holding area. It is important to ensure that you have one staff member assist each surveyor during this process and they are properly trained. If any issues are identified, it is appropriate to correct those problems if possible on the spot. Providing surveyors a space to work and answering their questions honestly and succinctly will also make the survey go smoothly. Finally, know your quality improvement initiatives and clearly be able to show that you are doing what your documents and policies say that you do. I hope these tips are useful in preparing you for a smooth, stress-free, and successful survey. Thank you.